Welcome back everyone to the Hello World Guy, and this is the 15th and hopefully final episode of the 3 platformer series. And in this video we are going to step up the graphics of our game a little bit. So in order to do that, the first thing I'm going to start with is first of all just go under window and open up the package manager. And in here what you need to do is you need to make sure that you are using the Unity registry packages here, and just scroll down and try to find the high definition render pipeline here. If you can actually do that, just find the high definition. Come on, where is it? If you cannot find it, just do a search. You can search from here, just say high definition RP. Just install that package, because this render pipeline will make our game look a lot better, so you should definitely use this one. So we are going to just install that. You might want to use the universal render pipeline if you do not want that high quality assets, but we are going to just do that. So just wait for it to install, and it shouldn't take that long. Alright, so once the package has installed, you can see that it's giving a bunch of errors, and an easy way to fix it all is by just clicking this fix all button here. Really easy. So just click that button, and it should start doing everything, including setting up the color space, making all of your materials compatible with HDRP and all of the other stuff. So just wait for it to set up everything correctly. Right, so once everything has worked, and you can turn off this show on start option here. If I just move this down for a while, you can see that currently my whole scene is made up of, well, everything is pink except this rocket here. Everything else is completely pink. Now pink means that the material is not working. The reason is that these are normal materials and we want HDRP materials. So what you want to do is, here you need to say convert all built-in materials to HDRP. So you should just go ahead and say proceed. You can have a backup if you want, and once you have done that, everything should just work, because it has automatically converted all the materials without you having to do a single thing. Now this looks a lot better, but you can see our scene is currently extremely dark for some reason, even though it looks pretty awesome. And now we have got like a kind of really nice effect here. You can see that our game is a lot better looking, but everything else is not working. And one more thing you notice is that our rocket particle is not working. Now the problem is that HDRP doesn't currently come with a method to use the previous particle system, out of the box. But there is a way to do. They are working on a visual effect graph, which is a much better way of creating particle system and stuff. But well, we have got our own system here, and we want to use that. And in order to do, if you actually want to do that, it's no problem. You can download a asset from official Unity forum. I will have a link to that in the description, and you can download the folder here and just extract the zip file into your main Unity project, and you should get all of the shaders you could ever need. Now go under your material folder and select this rocket trail material. Instead of having standard unlit, go under HDRP, and I think it's in HDRP. Let me see. Not quite sure where it is. Alright, let's just search for particle. Alright. But you can just go under shader graphs here and select particle unlit. Alright. So once you have done that, let's open up our rocket trail effect here, and that's what it's currently looking like, even though it shouldn't look like that. So let's select our material here, and well, we have got a bunch of stuff here, but it's currently not circular. So yeah, we need to make it do that. Okay, back. All right. Uh, let's Control V, double-sided. All right, so that's kind of nice, but well, we are supposed to kind of it's not like going to work out of the box like it did. We will have to tweak a bunch of settings here to make it look like it did before. But what I realized as I was recording this video is that it would be much better if I do not do this system here, in which we will try to fix our rocket trail and make it work and not look like squares. But instead, I'm just going to disable this for now, and in the next video, I will make another video after this bonus one. We will actually fix the particle system and make it work with the visual graph system of the high definition render pipeline, which will allow us to take full advantage of the new pipeline and allow us to create an extremely great looking particle system. So currently I'm just going to disable it, but we will add nice looking stuff in the next video. So for right now, what I would like to solve is this problem where we have got kind of a weird looking scene, extremely dark. Alright, so in here, in order to solve the problem of the scene being very dark, make sure you haven't got any light in your scene. By the way, if you do want to do that, you can actually just add in a directional light here and just select that, and you can see it kind of causes weird looking problems. So I'm just going to delete that, and I'm going to right click here and go under volume and add in a sky and fog global volume. As soon as you do that, your scene should turn pitch dark, and select this and go under the visual environment settings here and make it a HDRI sky instead. As soon as you do that, just remove this physically based sky component, and in here you can remove this as well because you don't need that, I said. And just add an HDRI sky here, and I'm going to rename this to environment volume, I guess. And in the HDRI sky, make sure you have got this option turned on, and for the cube map here, just choose one of the assets that we have got from that cool package that we had, for example this one, or I'm just going to choose a something like this, or if you want to have a space scene, or you can just select a normal sky based thing like the casual day. Alright, so once you have done that, you can see that this looks like this, and well, it doesn't make our scene really that much lit, so we do need to go solve that problem. But you can see now we have got our skybox at least completely working. But since this video is getting too long, I'm just going to end the video here, and I will see you in the next video, and we will actually fix the rest of the problem in that. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and make sure to like and subscribe as well, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.